leave it. Will you win?
How'd your class go, Sam?
Yeah.
Was it good?
Yeah,
class?
good.
They learning a lot?
Yeah, they're learning a lot.
Good. Are you handing out the red and yellow cards?
Yeah, I'm referee now, so if anybody plays foul, I'm just going to give the person red or yellow card. So,
all right.
Yeah. So far, everything's going cool.
Good.
All right.
Victor, you seem to have a good team, huh?
Where's the shoe shining?
Hey! Yo. Who scored? Come here.
Yeah, they're great too.
Well done.
Ah.